Imagine a world where every stretch is flawless, where fragile, superfine elastics glide through production without a single break, where precision isn't a challenge, it's a given. Introducing Presto, the new nozzle engineered for every stretch. Presto gives manufacturers the confidence to overcome the hurdles of the modern hygiene industry, turning complexity into control and fragility into strength. It sets a new benchmark for precision, ensuring every strand is placed exactly where it belongs, turning breakages into uninterrupted flow and unnecessary waste into measurable savings. And where others give in, Presto will run with precision and speed, no matter how thin, keeping production steady and contamination at bay, so your focus can stay where it matters most, on quality. But Presto isn't just about keeping up. It's about creating peace of mind to design products that feel softer, look better, and perform without any compromise. Are you ready for every stretch?